The VAT report calculates and displays VAT balance for a certain period of time covered by the report. The report fetches data from the VAT journal. The report presents the total net amount of sales for the period on which VAT is chargeable, VAT amount you charged on sales of goods or services, output VAT for the period, that you owe to the tax authorities, the total net amount you paid for goods and services purchased, excluding VAT, VAT amount charged on your business purchases, input VAT for the period that you can reclaim. Tax amounts and base net amounts are grouped by VAT rates at which VAT was charged on both sales and purchases for the period. Summarized amounts are presented in your system currency for each grouping and at the grand total level. If no data is available for certain groupings, nothing is displayed for them. In the basic VAT report, VAT balances are grouped only by VAT rates. No sublevels are available in the default report. By default, the VAT report groups data only by VAT rate. The default grouping by VAT rate is defined in the rows section of the basic VAT report. To set it up, the field has been added by which data in the report has to be grouped by rows. However, you can change the predefined settings and choose how to group data by yourself. To do that, click the Customize button. Use the Rows section to view and customize the default groupings. You can delete, rearrange, and add new fields to the section by which you wish to group data. To add fields for grouping in the Rows section, click the Select an Option box, and then select a field by which you want to group data from the list of options. Use the Columns section to view and customize the default groupings. As with groupings by rows, in the Columns section, you add fields by which you want to group data. The set of fields available for grouping data by columns is the same as for grouping data by rows. In the Values section, click the Select an Option box, and then select a summable field from the list of options. Click the Build button to view the report according to the parameters that you have selected. Once you are done, click Save.